Today I will share some plant decoration ideas with minimum effort and cost, as well as it will provide an extra standard look for your plants. So first, I'm going to show how you can prepare this trellis, which can turn any climbing plant into a topiary form. So first, you need some wires, which will be around 2 or 3 millimeter thick. Now I'm going to create a 2-ring globe-shaped trellis. So I have cut the wire into 2 separate pieces, and both have the same length as well. Then shape the wires as I'm doing. So 2 separate rings are created and they will tie together as I'm showing. Now here I'm adding an extra wire around the ring portion to make the circle steady. Alright. Now I'm going to wrap the round portion of the wires with jute threads, which will give a neat and even look. So both wires are ready to be tied up. Now I'm using a piece of aluminum pipe to hold the trellis. And then also wrap the pipe with jute threads, though this portion will go into the soil. So it's ready to use, and you can use this type of trellis to decorate any vining plant such as philodendron or pothos, but I think it will look compact and well shaped if used to decorate any vining orchid plants such as Hoyas or Dischidias, as I'm doing. I have used my perfect succulent soil mix to grow this Dischidia, and I have a detailed video on the potting soil recipe. Check the link in the description box or I button. You can also style your plant without using a trellis. Some plant has a straight and structural growth pattern like this lucky bamboo has. You can create many designs by assembling 4 or 5 plant sticks as I'm making. Lucky bamboo plants are easy to grow in water. And this is the final look. If you are looking for more decorative trellis designs, then check the videos on the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.